Struggling to blend tough ingredients like ice or nuts into creamy perfection? Tired of blenders that leave chunks or break down after a few uses? This Magetang Smoothie Blender 1800 watts is here to transform your kitchen game. With its robust 1800 watts motor, massive 70 ounces BPA-free container, and sleek red design, this countertop blender is a must-have for smoothie lovers, home chefs, and health enthusiasts. In this review, we'll dive into why this blender stands out, how it solves common blending woes, and why it's the ultimate kitchen essential. Ready to elevate your blending experience? Let's blend in. Why the Magetang Smoothie Blender shines. Blending isn't just about tossing severest mixing ingredients. It's about creating smooth, delicious results every time. The Magetang Smoothie Blender delivers on this promise with unmatched power and versatility. Whether you're whipping up a quick breakfast smoothie, crafting a velvety soup, or crushing ice for frozen cocktails, this blender handles it all with ease. Its combination of raw power, thoughtful design, and user-friendly features makes it a standout choice for anyone serious about their kitchen creations. Solving common blending problems. Chunky smoothies? Not anymore. The 1800 watts motor, spinning it up to 25,000 RPM, obliterates ice, frozen fruits, and nuts in seconds, delivering silky smooth textures. Small capacity woes? The 70 ounces BPA-free pitcher is perfect for family-sized batches, so you're not stuck blending multiple rounds for a crowd. Durability concerns? 6 premium stainless steel blades and a sturdy build ensure this blender lasts through countless blending sessions. Messy cleanup? The dishwasher-safe parts and self-cleaning feature make post-blending cleanup a breeze. Boring design? The vibrant red finish adds a pop of style to your countertop, blending aesthetics with functionality. Key features and benefits. Unstoppable 1800 watts motor. With a blazing 25,000 RPM, this blender crushes tough ingredients like ice and nuts effortlessly, ensuring creamy smoothies, sauces, and frozen drinks every time. Family-sized 70-ounce pitcher. The spacious, BPA-free container is ideal for large batches, perfect for gatherings or meal prep, while ensuring safe, chemical-free blending. 6 precision stainless steel blades. Engineered for consistency, these durable blades tackle everything from whole fruits to leafy greens with ease, delivering professional-grade results. Versatile and user-friendly controls. Intuitive settings let you switch seamlessly between tasks like blending smoothies, pureeing soups, or making baby food, making it an all-in-one kitchen tool. Sleek and durable design. The ergonomic red build is both stylish and robust, designed to withstand heavy use while adding flair to your kitchen. Who is this blender perfect for? The Magetang Smoothie Blender is ideal for health enthusiasts. Create nutrient-packed smoothies and soups to fuel your wellness journey. Busy families. The large capacity and easy operation make it perfect for whipping up quick, healthy meals for kids and adults. Home entertainers. Impress guests with professional quality frozen drinks and sauces for parties or dinners. Fitness buffs. Blend protein shakes and post-workout smoothies with ease, even with tough ingredients like frozen berries or peanut butter. Aspiring chefs. Experiment with sauces, nut butters, and purees to elevate your culinary creations. Real-world performance. My experience. I tested the Magetang Smoothie Blender with a challenging mix: frozen strawberries, ice, spinach, and almonds. The result? A velvety smoothie in under 30 seconds, with no chunks or grit. The intuitive controls made it easy to adjust the speed, and the tamper helped push ingredients down for perfect blending. Cleanup was a snap. Just a drop of soap and water, and the self-cleaning function did the rest. Compared to my old 1000W blender, which struggled with ice and left nut butter grainy, the Magetang's power and precision were night and day. It's like having a professional-grade appliance at home. Pros and cons. Pros. Lightning-fast blending with a powerful 1800 watts motor. Large 70 ounces BPA-free pitcher, perfect for families or meal prep. Durable stainless steel blades handle tough ingredients effortlessly. Easy to clean with dishwasher-safe parts and self-cleaning feature. Stylish red design adds a modern touch to any kitchen, Cons: slightly noisy at max speed. Bulky size may require dedicated counter space. Why it's worth the investment. At a competitive price point, check the latest deals. The Magetang Smoothie Blender offers unmatched value. Compared to pricier brands like Vitamix, it delivers similar power and versatility at a fraction of the cost. The 1-year warranty and dishwasher-safe parts add peace of mind, while the 70-ounce capacity and sleek design make it a practical and stylish addition to any kitchen. Whether you're a smoothie enthusiast, a home chef, or a busy parent, this blender saves time, delivers results, and elevates your culinary game. With a 4.6-star rating on Amazon based on 72 reviews, it's clear this blender is a crowd pleaser. Final verdict: a must-have kitchen powerhouse. The Magetang Smoothie Blender is a beast of a machine that combines raw power, versatility, and style. Its 1800 watts motor, 70 ounces BPA-free pitcher, and 6 stainless steel blades make it a top choice for smoothies, soups, sauces, and more. Whether you're blending for health, hosting a party, or experimenting in the kitchen, this blender delivers professional results without the premium price tag. Don't settle for subpar blending. Upgrade your kitchen with the Magetang Smoothie Blender today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.